there's Charlotte and her pussy. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink that.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I'm reacting to another ITomFoolery narrated story. However, I'm going to try not to laugh. So see if you can do the same. Try not to laugh. It's a pretty funny story though, I must warn you. While you're here, like this video, share this video, help me grow the channel. Now enjoy.
Story Time with Tomfoolery presents. Do you want to play with my beaver? Hey, Carrie, do you want to play with my beaver? Sure, Samantha. Wow, it's so big. Do you want to pet it? Yes, it's so soft and hairy. Look, there's Charlotte and her pussy. Oh, it's gorgeous. Can I touch your beaver, Samantha? Sure. If I can pet your pussy, but you have to be gentle. Is this okay? Does your pussy like this? Yes, she is getting all big and excited. There comes Miranda. Look at her beautiful rosebud. Hi, I can help your beaver so it doesn't get wet. But my beaver likes getting wet. What happens next? Will the beaver play with the pussy? What happens when Dick comes along with his balls? Do you want to play with my beaver was an unfinished story.
I
So
am
it's a bit of a
Tomfoolery
tease.
something else.
We will
Yo,
have to
the
soon.
story is
They all
short
had a
and
jolly
sweet.
good time in the end. Look out for
I
new
tried not to laugh,
episodes
but
of
that didn't
Storytime
work.
with Tomfoolery
Oh
coming
my.
very
I didn't last the whole video. I had to laugh. The story was too funny. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Please like this video, share the video, help me grow the channel, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, stay safe.
Down, this gonna go down. This